How to fix ChatGPT not working. So if ChatGPT is not loading or responding properly, or is it showing errors, try these quick fixes. So the first thing you'll need to do is check if ChatGPT status is working. For example, you want to open up a new browser page and type status.openai.com. And in here it should show you the current status of ChatGPT. If it says we're fully operational, it means it's working. Otherwise, it might be down or temporarily under maintenance. So that's why you potentially having errors. The next thing you can do is refresh or restart your browser. So for example, to do a hard refresh, make sure you're in the page where ChatGPT is open, and then hold down Control plus Shift and press R to do a hard refresh. And if that still does not solve the problem, try to completely close your browser and restart it again. And then open up ChatGPT website again and see if that solves the problem. The next thing you can do is clean the browser data. So you can hold down Control and H, or you can basically click on the three dots on the top right side, go to Settings, and then you want to go to Privacy, Search, and Services. If you're in Chrome, this might look a little bit different. Then you want to click on Clear Browsing Data, and then click on Choose What to Clear, and then select the period. You want to select All Time, and uncheck these and come down here and check Cookies and Other Site Data. This is usually what you need to clear. And then you can click on Clear Now to clear everything. That will refresh the page and might sign you out of your account. So you will need to sign back into ChatGPT. And if that still did not solve the problem, the last thing you can do is go to Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions and disable all the active extensions currently. And then refresh the page again, because extensions might block ChatGPT sometimes and cause issues. And that should solve the problem with the ChatGPT not working properly. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.